Viewer discretion advised.
Life of the ocean wave, a home on the rolling deep, where the scattered waters rave, and the winds their revels keep. A life of the ocean's wave, a home on the rolling deep, where the scattered waters rave, and the winds their revels keep.
Well, I'll be, fellas. Land ahoy! Well, men, it's been a long trip, but here we are. An unknown island surrounded by beautiful blue sea. Now, let's go over the directions again. I have all the directions printed exclusively on this very map. I can surely smell that treasure now. Once we follow both the directions and my brains, the treasure should be pinpointed right here. X marks the spot.
Hey, Bruno, that sounds convincing.
Absolutely. Who knows what's inside that treasure chest? I sure hope it's cheddar.
Who knows? But we'll just have to wait and see. Just remember, if anything goes screwy, leave it to old Bruno Bunny to solve your problems. Now let's hurry along, shall we?
Hey, what kind of treasure do you think it could be?
Oh, trust me, Braxton. I'm sure you'll find out soon enough. As the old saying goes, all we have to do is keep our eyes peeled until we find the evidence.
A life in the ocean wave, a home on the rolling deep, where the scattered waters rave and the winds their revels keep. A life in the ocean's wave, a home on the rolling deep, where the scattered waters rave and the winds their revels keep.